So we were put in contact with Home Roofing, I guess about a year ago, and I didn't know a whole lot about them, but I was immediately impressed with Joe, and he was absolutely, totally engaged from day one. Providing renditions of the different types of roofing, and kind of just showing those renderings in the different styles was so helpful to me and my wife to to come to a decision on what looks best for our house. That was one thing that I was very impressed with. Additionally, when his crew came on to start, I immediately knew that these guys, they were going to do a thorough professional job. I mean, they were prompt, they were safe, they were efficient, and I really liked that they constantly cleaned up after themselves. And in the end, the product was it was a stellar installation, and I would highly recommend them for anybody's roofing needs.